皆さんこんにちは。Hello everyone. In this lesson, we are going to learn the particle O. It's a direct object marker. O is probably easy one to learn among other particles, but it's an important particle for Japanese. So we will go through details. I hope you will enjoy the lesson. Now let's get started. 始めましょう。The Japanese particle O is known as the direct object marker. Let's see the first sentence. 私は日本語を教えます。私は日本語を教えます。Noun or noun phrase preceding the particle O directly receives the action of the verb. So let's practice with some sentences. 彼女は朝ごはんを食べました。彼女は朝ごはんを食べました。In this sentence, 朝ごはん is the noun that directly receives the action of the verb 食べました。So let's see more sentences. 彼はお弁当を持ってきます。彼はお弁当を持ってきます。In this sentence, お弁当 is the noun that directly receives the action of the verb 持ってきます。Now we'll see a few more sentences, so please pay attention to a noun before the particle O to see if it directly receives the action of the verb. 私たちは映画を見ます。私たちは映画を見ます。私は車を運転しません。私は車を運転しません。彼は本を読みました。彼は本を読みました。日本語を話しましょう。日本語を話しましょう。Now it's time for exercise. We have here some foods as objects. So we will pick one of them at a time and create a sentence. Now let's begin. Let's pick sushi first. 寿司を食べました。寿司を食べました。Here the subject I, 私は is omitted, but you can say 寿司を食べました。寿司を買います。寿司を買います。Now let's pick お弁当。Now let's complete a sentence. お弁当を持ってきます。お弁当を持ってきます。Next, let's pick 豆腐。豆腐。 Now let's complete a sentence. 豆腐を食べましょう。豆腐を食べましょう。Now you can create sentences by using any object, either food or anything else, but just remember after the particle o, always an action of verb comes, such as eat, buy, get off, drive, read, watch, and so on. So keep practicing by yourself. Now I will provide more lessons for the particles. So next one is the particle ni. So I hope you will keep learning